Audio CD 1, Track 29, Unit 5, Checking Out. Lisa and Mary check out of the hotel.
Hello, what can I do for you?
We'd like to check out of our room. Here are the keys. It's room number 321.
Did you take anything from the refrigerator?
Yes, we had 2 colas. We also ordered room service once.
Okay, your 5-night total comes to $310. Are you paying by cash or credit card?
Credit card. Here you are. Oh, and can you call an airport taxi for us?
I'll do that right away. Please sign on the dotted line.
You bought so much, we can barely carry it all. I'm glad they lost my suitcases.
Oh, and I almost forgot. Ms. Lee, someone dropped this off for you this morning.
What? Hey, that's my luggage.